spent in a miserable way.
U.S. News: the polar vortex is further evidence of climate change. Care2 causes. The Midwest is gripped in cold temperatures so extreme that Chicago is to keep them in working order, and agencies are bracing for among those who can't find shelter or get caught outside. So, of course, the Climate Deniers Squad is out in full force to claim that the record low temperatures are evidence that global warming is a thing. In the beautiful Midwest, wind chill temperatures are reaching -60 degrees, the coldest ever recorded. In coming days, do Donald J. Trump at Ray Donald Trump? Conservatives love to use like this to look foolish, because here's the thing: 1, that are very wrong, and 2, first up, scientists are turning to the phrase, not global warming, because it more accurately describes the constellation of issues our changing plate is facing. Warming is in fact, we're seeing more extreme heat, hard cold, drought and flooding, sea level rise and shrinking glaciers. That's because and specifically claiming that the disproves the warming trend is also incorrect because, surprise, it's actually caused by warming temperatures. The reason North America is getting blasted with cold is because there's a vortex of warmth. It will take weeks for the weather to stabilize. Researchers believe not everyone is on board with this theory, with some arguing that we need more data to definitively say that these weather incidents are connected with climate change, but the evidence is definitely pointing in that direction. So, the polar vortex is actually a great example of direct. It's unusual. If someone in your life is cracking some global warming jokes this week, take the time to set them straight. There's a reason we're talking. Get fact-based insights about newsworthy causes delivered daily to your inbox. We should expect more severe weather in our futures. We cannot ignore, since it's perpetual night, we just have to worry about here it gone wrong yet. Thank you for posting. Get fact-based insights about newsworthy causes delivered daily to your inbox. Have you heard? The Care2 community. Get fact-based insights about newsworthy causes delivered daily to your inbox. Our promise. Welcome to Care2, the world's largest community for good. Here, Care2 stands against bigots, bullies, science deniers, misogynists, gun lobbyists, xenophobes, the willfully ignorant, animal abusers, frackers, and other mean people. If you find yourself, Care2 stands with humanitarians, animal lovers, feminists, rabble-rousers, nature buffs, creatives, the naturally curious, and people who really love to do the right thing. You are our people.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot. I keep fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park.